the president is not really yung sabihin mo abusado. It would not be a fair comment na hindi naman talaga masamang tao si Presidente Marcos. But I seldom mention the names of the other side of the fence. But dito wala kasi akong na wala man tayong, there's no reason for us to be scared or oppression. Kasi wala man akong nakikita na yung tendency of a president to be abusive and would condone itong wrongdoing. Wala akong nakikita dyan. So, in this coming election, I hope that the president, kung marinig niya ako, bigyan na lang tayo ng, sabi ko, a fair shake of patas lang ang laban. Wala lang, he will not allow, kaya ko noon, nagprangka-prangka ako sa mga tayo, yung na huwag kayong pumasok sa takutan pati yung sa violence. It's not good. Let us keep democracy as was handed down to our parents. Yung i-preserve natin yung legacy na binigay nila sa atin. Although in the course of time, it was not really perfect. Pero we'll be able to maintain this kind of environment politically. So we try to maintain that kind of, whether we are the ones in power or opposition tayo. Sana si Presidente Marcos will see to it that wala lang and yung vote buying, wala yan talaga. Kasi yung vote buying is really out of it. Hindi natin pwedeng pakialaman yan eh. You cannot control it anyway, so what would be the point in making so much noise? It would just magsamang loob ka lang. Pero yung mga violence, terrorism, ayan ang hindi pwede. And I'm sure that the President, Mr. Marcos, would not allow that. Politiko siya at gumaan siya ng mga ganun eh. So, let us go back to our respective territories and start to organize. Mahirap mag-organize pag walang pera. So, ang PDP is shoestring budget talaga to. But whatever na makuha namin na malaki, kung may magbigay man, ngayon ng mga negosyante, we will share with you whatever ibibigay namin sa yung mananalo na kagaya ni Bongo pati ni Bato or hands down man ito sila. So wala na itong tsaka sila ang dapat magbigay sa atin, si Bongo ang magbigay. Alam ba ninyo na pinakamalaking printing press sa Mindanao, Tibong? Kaya yung mga campaign materials inyo, para hindi kayo gong bastos, ibigay mo na kay Bong. Kaya na niyan. mga sample balot na gano'n. Kunti mo lang yan. Kaya di mo yan. So, wala man ako dito kung anong pinag-usapan ninyo. I was not around to hear and listen to what was going on earlier. But I suppose that you were talking about what was really good for the PDP.